Good morning, traders. Stock Sumo reporting with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today is Tuesday, July 27th. We're doing an update on New Columbia Resources, Inc. That's ticker symbol NEWC, trading on the OTC markets. Before I jump into this chart update, want to go over and look at the headlines on NEWC. We got some news out fresh off the press this morning. This is just released 25 minutes ago. It's about 8:30 Eastern time when I'm recording this. New Columbia Resources Sanibus to work with Corporaz to develop hemp projects in post-conflict zones of Colombia. So some exciting news out this morning. This is untraded upon. I wanted to bring that to your attention. I want you to check that out before we get into this chart. So now let's go back to the chart here. We'll start our way at the top and move down. The RSI is currently above 50. That's a good sign. We like to see when the RSI is above 50, that tends to show strength. Notice the last time the RSI got above 50, it made its way up to the power zone, and the stock had a nice move up to the 024 range from about a penny, just shy of a penny, and that was a nice move there. We had a recent pullback. Notice this candle right here. We dipped just below the 200-day moving average, similar to that last pullback. But the good thing about this last candle was it's a higher low. It found support off of 01 instead of the 008 range where it previously found support in June. So higher lows on the chart, we'd like to see that. We want to continue to see this 200-day moving average hold as support. We're back above the 50-day moving average, which is a good sign. This is our next key area of support. So we want to see the 0153 act as support and the 0114 act as support, our 50 and 200-day moving averages. Now, notice the volume has been coming back into the stock. That's always a good indicator. When we see volume and momentum, that means traders are increasing their positions. There's some increased accumulation going on. Notice the last time the volume spiked, we had this nice massive move up to a nickel. Looking at the MACD, these lines are hooking up. That's a bullish signal. Once these lines cross, that's going to be a buy signal. So we want to continue to see the MACD pinch and cross here, and that's going to be a very nice setup. All in all, this is a solid looking chart from NEWC. We got some fresh news out this morning, so things are setting up nicely with this play. We've had some good moves in the stock already off of the recent pullback. We're up over 70% here at yesterday's high from this previous swing low. So we want to continue to watch NEWC. Stay tuned for updates. If you haven't caught our initial report on New Columbia Resources, scroll through our articles at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. Just punch in NEWC in the search bar at the top of our site, and you can pull up our recent articles and check out the nice report that we published on NEWC, and stay tuned for updates. As always, while you're visiting our site, check out our disclaimer for disclosure, and thanks for tuning in.